Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary tree, which is called vertical order. Okay, so you need to print binary tree in a vertical order. So what is vertical order? Let's see. So let's say you have a tree something like this. Okay, let's see how I'm writing it. Okay, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here. Okay, 6 is here, and 7 is here. Left, right, left, right. That's it. Okay, but if you see here, can I give one number to root node? So I'm giving 0 to root node, and its left one I will do -1, and for right one I will do +1. So it is 0, so this one will be -1. Okay, and this one will be +1. Now what will be the, now if the root node number is -1, so for left one we will give -1, so -1 plus -1 is -2. Okay, same for -1. For right one, what we will do? +1. So -1 plus 1 will cancel out, so it will become 0. Okay, similarly if you check for this 3 plus 1, okay, so left will be -1, so +1 and -1 will be 0. Okay, similarly for right one it will be +2. So can I do one, can you see one thing here? Okay, see for -2 how many nodes are there? If you draw one line here, vertical line like this. Okay, for -1 if you draw one vertical line like this. For 0 if you draw one vertical line, so see 0, this one, this one, this one, everything will come in 0, 1, 5 and 6. Okay, for this +1 one vertical line, for +2 one vertical line. So if I tell you that print it vertical order, so what will you print? First 4 will come for -2. Okay, then this 2 will come from -1, then 1 plus 5 plus 6, okay, 12 will come from 0, and then 3 will come, and then 7 will come. So this one will be your answer. So this is the vertical order, and how you will achieve that? So to achieve that, let's see what is the structure first. Okay, so tree node structure is similar, like value, left and right. Now you need to store this column somewhere, right? So for that we have created one pair class. So in pair class you will have one node, tree node, and then second is integer column. Okay, so each node have associated column with it. So for example, this node has -2, this one has 0, this one has 0, this one has 3 plus 1, like that. Okay, now what you will do, this is the solution, very simple. Okay, you need to take few things for you. So first one, you will take result to store the final result. Okay, so this one will be list of integer, list of integer. This one will be your result. Okay, and then second thing is you need to take one tree map. Okay, tree map, it will maintain the order. Okay, ascending order. So tree map is of type integer, and then list of integer. Okay, why we are taking this parameter type, we will see that. Okay, and then one queue. Okay, so queue you will create using linked list. Okay, queue will be interface. So let me first create one queue. Okay, now what is happening, you will add root node, okay, with 0. Why 0? Because you're starting from 0 only. Okay, this one is 0, right? So you're starting from 0, so that's why you will add these two things. So what is your root is 1, and then with 0 is the column. Okay, this one is root and this one is column. Okay, you have added one element in a queue. Now what you will do, so here you're using level order traversal and plus map. Okay, so you will take this element from queue. Okay, you have taken it, so now your queue is empty. But so you have already checked this queue is not empty. So now one variable was there, one node was there, and then you will queue.poll, so current will come. So current ka node, okay, current dot node will be your 1, and current dot column will be your 0. Means this one is node, this one is column. Okay, what you will do with this, first you will add that in a map. And how you will add that in a map? See, if it is not there in map, okay, so this is your map, let's see. And what is the type of this map? Integer. So first one, you store integer basically for column, like for 0 column how many nodes you have, for -1 column how many, 2, -2 plus 1 plus 2, for that. Okay, so that's why we are taking integer. And then we are taking list of integer. Why? Means for 0 how many nodes are there, so you will store in a list of integer. Okay, so this is list of integer type of map. Okay, so first one 1,0 is not there in a map. So what you will do, you will put the column, okay, in a map you will put this column is 0, and then new array list. Right now it is empty. After that, map.get column. Okay, this column you will get, and you will put node ka value here. So node ka value is 1. So this is done. Okay, now your right now your queue is empty, but currently we are not checking that. We are checking node.left is not null. Correct, node ka left, no, this is your node ka left is 2, node ka right is 3. Okay, so let me add that. So okay, node ka left is not equal to null, so I will add this in a queue. So 2 comma column -1. What was column? Column was 0. So column -1, what it would be? -1. Similarly for right, 3 comma column was 0 plus 1, so plus ka 1. Okay, 2 and 3. So this one is 2, this one is 3, minus 1 plus 1. You have added in a queue. Again do the same thing. Okay, check if queue is not empty. Yeah, not empty, so you will pick this element. Okay, so after taking, you will poll this element 2 comma minus 1. Okay, you will add this minus 1 in a list, in a map, because it is not there, and then you will create one empty array list. Okay, and then you will add this you will add this 2 into this array list. Okay, after that number of this 3 number will come. So the column is plus 1, and in a list you will add this 3 node. Okay, and but before this 3 comma 1, you will check for 2 comma minus 1 if there is any left or no right subtree. Yeah, for 2 it is 4 and 5. So see, for this 2 comma minus 1, okay, this 4 comma minus 1, the column is minus 1. Okay, the column is minus 1, so what will be the left? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 means minus 2. And then same, what is the right? 5. Okay, so 5 comma, the column is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1, what it would be? 0. Okay, and then same, then you will take out 3 comma 1, so you will add that in a map, and then for 3 also do the same thing. So for 3, what it would be? 6 and 7. So 6 will be on 0 and 7 will be on plus 2. Okay, so just add 6 comma, see, minus 2, and if it is 4 comma minus 2, 3 4 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, 3 is done, 2 and 3. So for 2 you have added 4 5, for 3 you are adding. Okay, so for 3 it is plus 1, right? So plus 1 minus 1 will be 0, so you will add here 0. And for right one, what you will do? Plus 1. So what is your right? 7 comma 2. Okay, now it's time for taking this you have already taken this 3. Okay, now it's time for 4 comma minus 2. So minus 2 is there in the list? No, so you will add minus 2, and you will create one list, and then you will add 4 here. Okay, now after that 5 comma 0, so 0 is there in the list. Okay, so you will add this in a list. Okay, let me remove this from here, and here you will add 5. Now 6 comma 0, again 0 is there, so you will just add this in a list. And then 7 comma 2, so 2 is not there, so 2 you will add 2, you will create one list, and then you will add 7 there. Okay, so this one will be your answer C. Now if you print it, okay, what it would be? So this is what we are doing here, and at the end you will map dot values, you will take all the values, means this list. Okay, and you will add that in a list of integer. So one by one you are taking list of integer, and then you are adding that into the result, and result is of type list of integer. So this result will be something like this, list of, and then list of integer. So like 7 4 3 2 and then 1 5 6, something like this. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.